Have you ever wondered when the next generation looks back at us, will they be proud? Or will they say they had the chance to change everything, but they wasted it? Our life is short. Every second that slips away is a second we will never get back. Time is the only thing we can never earn. Again, you can lose money and make it. Again, you can lose opportunities and find new ones. But when time is gone, it is gone forever. And the biggest mistake we make is thinking we always have tomorrow. Most people wake up every day living the same routine. They wake up, go to work, come back, watch something, sleep, and repeat. They never ask themselves, is this the life I truly want? They live comfortably but without purpose. They think someday they will chase their dreams. Someday they will change their habits. Someday they will take action, but someday never. Commies, let me tell you a story. There was a young man who wanted to be a writer. Every night he promised himself, tomorrow I will start. Tomorrow turned into next week, next month, next year. When he finally picked up the pen, his hands were too weak, his eyes too tired. He realized too late that his greatest enemy was not failure, not rejection, not even poverty. His greatest enemy was waiting. Waiting killed his dream. But you still have time. As long as you are breathing, life is giving you another chance, a chance to start fresh, a chance to chase your dream, a chance to become stronger, kinder, and braver. Don't waste that chance. Your family is waiting to see you succeed. Your future self is waiting to thank you, and the world is waiting to hear your story. But none of that will happen if you waste your life on distractions, on fear, on excuses. Stop telling yourself, I will do it tomorrow. Start now. Take one small step today, and tomorrow you will already be further ahead than most people. Remember this: success is not about being the smartest, the strongest, or the luckiest. Success belongs to those who never give up. To those who move forward even when they are scared. To those who keep fighting even when the world tells them to stop. Greatness is built in silence, through discipline, through sacrifice, through hard work when no one is watching. Every day you have two choices: continue living the same way, or step up and create a better version of yourself. The choice you make today will decide your tomorrow. So ask yourself, will you be the person who wasted their life, or the one who used every moment to create something meaningful? Will the next generation look back at you with pride or with disappointment? The answer is in your hands. Time is running. Life is passing. Don't waste it. Make it count.